This is my first attempt at a cam for that car. Since designing this, I've actually found an eBay listing for the original car, and there's a whole series of cams, all different shapes, so you can get it to do a different sequence of operation when it's driving. But we'll try this just to see if the sizes are right, and then I may have a look at making a set the same as the ones that I can see on the listing. Right, my cam fits. It's nothing like the ones that I found on eBay, but at least it gives us an idea. And I haven't really got enough space for it to run. Let's have a go. Right. Right. Oh. Well, that's enough to give us an idea of what we can expect if we design a few more cams. I mean, this would probably be all right if I took it to the skate park where it's nice and flat and large enough for it to move around. I am fascinated by this. Real old technology. The listing on eBay says 1970s. I've just printed another cam based on the shapes I saw on the eBay listing. So we'll give this one a try. I'll just demonstrate it. So apart from being way too noisy to try at this time of night, Nanny will be waking up and getting upset with me. But that certainly works. There are certainly possibilities with this, isn't there? I think we need a bigger cam so we can do right as well as left. So at the moment, that's as far as it's going. That's straight ahead. We need one that pushes it even further to go right. So we've got full left. I can't turn it because it's too stiff, but then that's straight ahead. And if we had another one, we could do a figure of 8. I am fascinated by this, as you can probably tell. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.